Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unplugging the Ottimo Iron and letting it cool, safety first. Once cool, remove remaining water and open the water fill cap so you can inspect inside. Check the sole plate for scale and the cord for frays. Take photos if needed. Use a small screwdriver to remove accessible screws and keep them organized. Make sure you have distilled water and a soft brush ready because you'll use them in the next steps to clean and disassemble further. You'll now descale and clean internal paths. Mix half vinegar and half distilled water, fill the tank, and run a steam cycle to loosen deposits. Let sit 15 minutes and repeat if heavy. Once done, unplug and use a needle to clear steam vents and cotton swabs to remove residue from the sole plate. If steam is inconsistent, open the casing to visually inspect the thermostat, heating element, and wiring. Replace any corroded connectors. You're ready to reassemble. Reconnect any wiring harnesses, align the casing, and tighten screws snugly without over-torquing. Once assembled, refill with distilled water and plug the iron in. Start on a low heat setting, test steam and sole plate heating for a few minutes, and progress to normal settings if stable. If you still see problems, here's one key troubleshooting tip. Measure continuity across the thermostat and heating element with a multimeter. No continuity means that component needs replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.